Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I received a package from the company Artnfly. They sent me some of their best sellers, and remember that you will always find links to all of the products used in this video in the description box. I received their white gel pens, their waterproof, bleed-proof, non-toxic fine line pens, and their set of 72 premium oil-based color pencils. They come in a metal tin, organized in these trays that you can take out. I really like that they are organized by colors. These are super affordable, and remember that you can find the link for these in the description box. I also received their 9x12 smooth surface sketch pad and their 9x12 black sketch pad as well. I love to share my art journey with you guys, so if you are not following me on Instagram, I will let the link below so you don't miss a thing. Now let's have some fun. I've been obsessed lately with cotton candy, and one of my favorite subjects to paint and to create in general, because I used to sculpt food, is food. So I decided to make some mini drawings in toned gray paper. Now I tested the smooth sketch pad, and it's super nice to work with color pencils, but for this drawing I wanted to do it on the toned gray paper because I love it. Now I'm not an expert with color pencils. I usually use them over watercolor paintings to give depth, but I wanted to show you how good they look by themselves. What I really like about these is that they are organized by color and I could be very particular about how my things are organized. So I really like that they are organized by color degradation, and they have this little legend at the top of the metal thing that says all of the colors that are in this set. I had a lot of fun with these. They are very easy to layer. I like the white one especially, so here I'm trying to draw a fried egg. And yeah, so I invite you guys to check their products out. There are links in the description box for everything, and I know they also make some very good markers at affordable prices, so definitely check that out. Let me know in the comments if you have used any of their Artnfly products. I made a video long ago about the best white gel pens that I could find, and I have to say that I tried theirs and they are really good. They are really opaque and they layer beautifully on top of these color pencils, so definitely a product that you guys need to check out. I really like this white gel pen. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Special thanks to the company Artnfly for sending me these products to show you. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and like this video. This really helps my channel a lot, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!